Well, 10 minutes to the top of the hour. Welcome back. It's time to play. 30 swimmers from Mombasa and Nairobi who represented Kenya in the Kana Zone 3 Championship in Kampala, Uganda, are delighted with their achievement in the event held in Kampala. Now, Kenya finished third behind Uganda and Tanzania, who finished first and second, respectively.
The experience in Uganda was very good. The team performed very well from day one, with Nurain starting us off with the 800 free. From there, the hype went very well and we all just performed very good throughout the gala. Especially the younger kids, the 12 and unders, they did amazing. Even like 14, 15, 13, 14s, I'm so proud of them. They did very well. They lived up to the expectation.
I think everyone did their best and everyone should be applauded for their best, because not everyone can be here to represent their country. Not everyone gets the same chance as these swimmers. These amazing swimmers have gotten to represent their country. So I think they should deserve every other chance to go and represent their country once again. And they've done their very best, which is amazing.
It was a fantastic show of teamwork, fantastic show of sportsmanship. We were awarded the best in the most inspirational team, because regardless of who won, we...
Well, congratulations to the Kenyan team. Now, Kiana Rajput and her brother Yuraj Rajput are determined to participate in the World Rally Championship. Kiana, who became the first female to win the autocross Pee-wee class, is determined to become a world champion, while her brother Yuraj Rajput is dreaming on venturing into Formula One.
It's been a tough year, but we managed through the COVID and everything. But so far, it was really challenging and it was good. I think they all encouraged me to do better, and of course I have worldwide champions that encouraged me: Lewis Hamilton, Oit Tanak, Sebastian Ogier, and so on.
I was the first female driver in Pee-wee class. Practice makes perfect, and every time you practice, you should just get better and better at it, and that's how you'll get the fear off. I hope to be the first woman WRC professional driver.
For us, definitely it's a good feeling. Training them, putting them through practice sessions, working on the buggies day and night. The mechanic does a great job just fine-tuning the machines and keeping them in line. So all that hard work to come out and win a championship or win a race is definitely...
Well, the ambitions are valid. Kenya's Shooting Federation held the Youth Olympic Development Program in Mombasa, where several youngsters received shooting training. Bamburi Rifle Club chairperson Abdikarim Daud hopes the county program will give the youngsters a chance to represent Kenya at the 2026 Youth Olympics in Dakar, Senegal.
In the sport, and I've tried the air pistol and I found it quite fun.
Ningependa siku moja kuwakilisha nchi yangu kimataifa, katika mchezo wa kimataifa, na pia nije kuwa mahiri kama siku moja. Tuta roll out a calendar of events ya Olympic shooting as from January 2022, ambayo tutahusisha shule za mkoa wa Pwani, na pia tutahusisha watoto hata kama ni street children. Tunaweza kuwakagua, tukatafuta hiyo talent, tukaiendeleza zaidi juu. So sisi yetu tutakuwa ni tuna accommodate watoto wote wa Mombasa County.
Well, from the humble beginnings to today, there's a long stretch in between of hard sweat, work, and sufferings as well. But we have succeeded, thanks to good leadership. And we hope that with the new chairman, it is going to continue. I can see with dramatic changes and a lot of money put into the club, we're on the road.
Away from that, the World Tong Moo Do champions, that's Philippines and Turkey, jetted into the country ahead of this year's Mombasa Open International Tong Moo Do tournament. DR Congo and Thailand are also among the countries that have already arrived, and they are seeking to dominate the championships.
Since the start of the Mombasa Open Championship, so it is my wish that this is a significant visit for me, that we can even improve and even make a bigger than this one in the future. I'm very sure that we can create an impact in the sports, particularly in the field of Tong Moo Do, which is unique. And actually in Asia, we are preparing to have Asian Games. And that we hope that this Tong Moo Do will become part of the Olympic.
We welcome all Kenyans to come and support our team and our visitors. We wish to pass our gratitude to the government of Kenya for the immense support through the Ministry of Sports, Culture.
Well, Karim Benzema's